Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop, lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So when you search for the game on Steam, you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game on your PC. After you have checked all this, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on power Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC and Steam, and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game from installation folder. So for that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, simply double click on it and then check if the game is opening or not. If the game doesn't launch, you should run the game as administrator. For that select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If it doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that go below, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. After that launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -windowed and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run SFC scan. For that you have to simply copy this command and after that go to the search option, search for command prompt and you have to paste this here and press enter. So this will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically. After that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable this. Once you disable this, launch the game and check if you can play it. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from there. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options and now launch the game and check. Next is to update graphics card. For that go to the search option, search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution and anti-aliasing, then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on it and now wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update option. Click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available for your Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Here select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select Custom Size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Once you have done this, click on Set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to install DirectX. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in a browser. Now, after the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, you have to install it. After installing it, log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. Most of the time, the antivirus program stops you from playing the game and it shows several kinds of errors and stops you from playing. So make sure to disable your antivirus program and after that launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now once you add the game, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Forza Horizon 6 game. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not. So using these solutions, you can easily fix Forza Horizon 6 game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, lagging, freezing, low FPS or stuttering issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.